Comet. I wanted to unbox this myself, so I got it taped, and then I was like, I gotta record opening this. So this is the Haltech for my Comet. So performance enhancing technology inside. There's this bag here. We got a computer. What's in here? Let's see. Oh, gotta break the seal on that too. All right. Yeah, it's very heavy. Okay, throw the box on the floor. Thank you. All right, you want to find out what's in the bag? I want to find out what's in the bag. Oh, it's zip tied shut. That's why I can't get in. Let me grab the scissors. Okay, open it up. Let's see what's in there. Okay, what is it? Wires! Yay! Yeah, little bags of wires. Cool. Okay, I broke the seal on this. Let's see what's inside here. Welcome to the Haltech family. Oh yeah. Oh, you gonna empty it for us? Ta-da! Merry Christmas. One of these is probably an oxygen sensor. Nope. No oxygen sensor on the floor. Good. Sensor pack. Oh, there's my oxygen sensor. Good. Okay, so we got plugs for everything. Cool. Very nice. Cool. And what's in the box? It's the Haltech. Yep. It's heavy. Careful, it's heavy. 2 hands. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, it's heavy. Yeah, is it too heavy?
Yeah. No.
No. Oh. No, we're not gonna throw it. Okay. Yeah. Got a quick start guide. So cool. I'm happy. So open here and.
Yeah.
Stickers! I got stickers. I'll let the kid know. I think I got another sticker down here. Yes. Cool. Second Haltech sticker. Add that to my collection. Page up for power. Okay. It's a Wi-Fi connection antenna. I got cables and screws and bolts. Cool. Nope, not that. All right, so let's see. I got air, fuel, fan, ignition, status lights. Yeah, be careful with that sticker. That's mine. Yeah, you like that sticker? Yeah, but that one's mine. Yeah. Sorry, no stickers for you. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, it's a USB-A to USB-C. How modern is that? Cool. All right. So last night I showed the Haltech unboxing. And I guess the big thing is to just plug that into the engine and find somewhere to stick the ECM itself. Next up, we got the gas tank. This came from Tanks Inc. Tanksinc.com. Now, this is not sponsored. I just am so thrilled that I found this company because I didn't think there was going to be an EFI tank for Comet. So, not only did they have an EFI tank, they had a new filler neck and hose included with it, a fuel sender, a fresh brand new fuel sender, and the in-tank pump module. So this tank is baffled for the EFI pump, so it's going to work perfectly. It was a decent price. It's more than, just the $100 tank off eBay, but being EFI is really important, having the baffles in there. So I recommend this place if you need a tank for a Comet, Falcon, Mustang, any old car really. They got a lot of them. I don't know if it was a Sleeper Dude or Pole Barn that recommended. It was probably Sleeper Dude, but might have been Pole Barn. But I saw it mentioned on one of those 2 channels, I think. And so I looked them up and sent them an email and said, hey, do you do this? And they were like, yep, here's a link to it. And I was like, cool. Whew, it is nasty cold out. And between these 2 parts, I actually have enough stuff to start the car first start this weekend, if I work quickly enough. The big thing I'm missing is e-throttle, because it's drive-by-wire. I ordered it on eBay. It'll be here Tuesday. I got a lot of parts coming in. I got my tags. Yeah. I got some money. Let's say I got some money. So, and yeah. So once those parts arrive, we are going to be moving quick on this project. But I would like to do a first start this weekend, if I can start it without an e-throttle, or I'll pull an e-throttle out of one of my other cars. 3 holes on this puppy. This one is for the fuel filler, and one of these is for the pump. Looks like this one's for the pump, and this one's for the level sender back here. This is not bare metal. It is coated in something. Primer. You know, it could be powder coat. Could be coated in powder coat. And it says tanks right here. That's awesome. Yeah, get that on camera. Tanks right there, stamped into the metal. This is my fuel pump module. All right. It says it is a 255 rated up to 600 horsepower. Good. As long as I don't have a turbo to this car, it should be plenty. Alright. That. Some assembly required. So here's a vent. It says V for vent, S for send, R for return. You just thread it. That's nice. I like it. So send. I guess it's going to hook in like this. I'm going to set the height. It's a little deep. Yeah, it's a little deep right now, but set the height. Okay. Yeah, it's got instructions for setting the pump depth, the sound barrier blanket for the pump. Cool. Fuel sock, because you got to have one of those. There we go. Some assembly required, but this is my float for my fuel gauge. This is the correct resistance for a old Ford, it said. Where are the gaskets for this? Oh, I bet they're in here. The fuel neck. This goes like this. Fuel neck. Goes to that. Where my hose at? Cork. Lots of strings with rubber seals. That's cool. Yeah, so this will just go up inside the bumper like the old Vic did. Cool sticker. Tank sink. Very nice. Alright, here's where my, bell housing is, and, my transmission tunnel's going to go through here. Also with the transmission at the right angle. This thing, clearly it's going to be a very tall transmission tunnel, I guess. And I definitely need to lower the shifter. I don't know, maybe my gauge is working funny, but that does seem to be where it needs to be. Anyways, this wall right up here, it would be above where my heater box goes over here, the factory one at least, goes over there. Heater hoses come through there. So right here, we don't have anything. Off to the left, we've got the vacuum operated wiper motor, which will eventually get swapped with a nice electric one of some sort. I don't know if I want to spend $300 on a used one from eBay, or if I just want to go the $600 aftermarket option. I hate both of those numbers. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna drill the holes to hang the ECM right here, right now, and I'll get back to you when that's done. All right, Haltech installed, bolted to the firewall. I gotta get some 4-gauge battery cable, and then I can run the wires to the engine. I might as well use these holes that are right here that the heater hoses used to go through. I've got one just up and above it over there. I've got one down there where the throttle used to go through. I think this one was speedometer. I don't know. Could be. No, I think the speedometer went through down there, actually. Whatever. But, yeah, I got a lot of holes. I might as well utilize them. Try to put some grommets in there or something. So it bolted to the firewall here. It's nice and square. I'm pretty proud of myself for not getting that crooked because, you know, I'm good at crooked. Still gotta find somewhere to put the fuse panel in there. Maybe I'll put it right below that. I don't know. That might get in the way if I ever want to put an AC unit, you know, one of the old school AC units in there, but maybe I'll come up with something else for that. Anyways, that room off to the left still towards the pedal clusters. I have the harness sitting here and all the little adapter plugs here for the different generations of LS connectors. And I set the tank back here in the hole just so it was put away and I wouldn't lose any parts. So I can start assembling this anytime, really. It's like if I get the engine wired up, I'm going to be a lot more motivated to get this thing plumbed in. Yeah, this goes in from the inside. Yep. And I believe it came with all new screws for this. If not, I've got the old ones still. And we cleaned all the rust off the old gas cap. I want to eventually get the old gas cap powder coated, but not yet. Anyways, excuse me, I snort in my nose like that. I wanted to put nut zerks in these holes before I bolt this down. I don't know, maybe it does need some rubber behind it to seal it, so maybe I'll cut some out. It originally had butyl rubber, and yeah, before I fill this tank up enough that I don't want to do it anymore, I really should deal with it. Brand shiny new fuel injection gas tank. Anyways, I'm gonna just push the videos out every evening this weekend. So you're seeing this video coming out probably Saturday morning, yeah. And Sunday morning you'll see what I did on Saturday. And Monday morning you'll see what I did at the end of the weekend. See where I finally got to. So I still have to modify one header. I don't really want to start this without even having headers on there. They say it's not that bad for the valves, but it's not that good for the valves either. So anyways, still need to grind the bell housing right there. Anyways, let me stop babbling. Like and subscribe. Don't miss any of this. This is going to be awesome.